Hi, welcome to the Kids Fab. Train your mind to do speedy calculations through these simple math questions. Are you ready? 758 plus 293 is what? Try to do mind calculation without using pen and paper. Always add the nearest tens or 100s or 1000s and then subtract the remaining number. Step 1, 300 minus 7 is 293. So let's use 300. 758 plus 300 equals 1058. For step 2, we need to subtract 7 since we have added 7 in step 1. So, 1058 minus 7 equals 1051. 81 to 36 is what? We are going to use the formula, a square, b square equals 1248 plus 724 is what? Round off to nearest tens and then add, subtract the remaining numbers. Step 1, 1250 plus 700 equals 1950. Step 2, 1950 plus 22 equals 1972. (49*45 is what? Read the question as 99 times 45. So first we do 100 times 45 and then subtract 145 from the answer. Step 1100 *45 equals 4500. Step 2, 4500 minus 45 equals 4455. 848 *5 is what? Multiplication of 5 can be done as multiplication of 10, and then division of 2. (795*11 is what? For multiplication by 11 step 1 last digit is same, i.e. 5 step 2 add two numbers from the right and carry forward if it's more than 9. In our case, for 795, 9 plus 5 equals 14. Put 4 as the second right number and carry forward 1 to the next step. 4 5 Step 3 with carry forwarded 1 add next two numbers 9 and 7 then it becomes 17. Put 7 as the third right number and carry forward 1. 7 4 5. Step 4 with carry forwarded 1 add 7 to it. 8745 is the answer. (28*25) is what? Multiplication of 25 can be done as multiplication of 100, and then division of 4. (465 is what? Similar to multiplication of 5, for division of 5 the rule is use given number asterisk 2/10. Hope you now know the tricks to solve these problems. Shall we practice these tricks one more time? Let's start. 243 plus 487 is what? (121 to 49 is what? (564 plus 87 is what? (98*16 is what? 2608 asterisk 5 is what? (126 asterisk 11 is what? (64 asterisk 25 is what? (1625 fifths is what?